There's something so special about having your toes in the sand and just enjoying the water on your feet. I love beach day. It's beach day. What's up, YouTube, and welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. I'm Eric B, and today we're at Henderson State Park here in Florida, here in Destin, Florida, checking out the beach. Let's go. So I spent the night at the Hilton True property here in Fort Walton Beach. Gonna go enjoy the rest of the night, and then we're gonna wake up and we're gonna go see some beaches. But first, let's do a little quick room tour here. The Hilton True, if you ever stayed at the Marriott Moxley, it's kind of the same type of deal. It's a trendy type place, bright colors. It's kind of a beachy, vibey type feel here, but it's one of those trendy type places. The room is pretty standard here. I do like that there's a nice shower head. That's kind of interesting right there, the way they got the little squeeze. You can't take the little lotions and soaps and stuff home with you, which I have a ton of those. I think we all do that. I think we all take those home with us, but they got it set up where you ain't taking it home. So here's the room, and this is not like right on the beach, though. It's a couple miles from the beach, so when you look down, you see a parking lot. Nothing spectacular. Room's pretty basic, though, but nice. It's clean. It's a Hilton property. So all in all, not bad at all. Hilton True is the name of this place. So wake up in the morning. This is what I had for breakfast. It was a little microwavable sandwich, a little muffins in the bag, some orange juice. So that's what they gave us for breakfast. And like I said, it's kind of a beachy type, bright color vibe. There's a little spot up there where you can just kind of sit in a little swing, a little type of deal. But yeah, it's one of those trendy, bright color, vibrant type place. All right, let's get out right now, and we're gonna hit up Henderson State Park Beach, which is here in Destin. There's a couple nice beaches out this way. This is the most popular one, so I decided to hit this one. It's like $4 to park, to come in and go to the beach. And I went to a couple of them. This is the only one that actually charges, but at least you have secure parking here as opposed to riding around sometimes hoping to find somewhere to park. Here, there's pretty much definitely somewhere to park. Definitely the way to sit back and enjoy the beach right here, the daiquiri in hand. Sitting back, enjoying the beautiful views here. Pretty nice. So we're at the crab trap now, and I'm excited to get some good seafood. And you can see the little bar area earlier. It's overlooking. It's sitting right next to the little bar area. You can look down into it. And there's the restaurant I'm in. There goes the menu. Excited to get some good gumbo here. And some crab cakes. There goes the gumbo. Not the best gumbo I've had, being from Louisiana. You know, I'm kind of a gumbo snob. And there's the crab cakes. But the gumbo was really good. And you see not a whole lot left, and I'm taking a to-go plate because I don't waste food. I don't believe in wasting food. But all in all, this is a cool restaurant. It's got a great view, and it's right off the beach here in Destin, the Crab Trap. I would recommend this restaurant to anyone that's coming to the Destin area. It's in a beautiful location, really good food. You can find parking pretty good around, even though I drove around a little bit to get parking. But hey, all in all, it was a really good experience. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification so you can know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And remember, as always, live today, grow today, tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace!